Welcome to Tech Explorer, your go-to channel for the latest smartphone innovations. Today, we have something extraordinary to talk about, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Xiaomi has been pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology for years, but with the 15 Ultra, they are redefining flagship excellence. This device is not just a phone, it's a mobile powerhouse, designed to compete with the best in the industry. It features a stunning display, an insanely powerful Snapdragon chipset, a monstrous camera system, and ultra-fast charging. But the biggest highlight: a 200MP periscope telephoto lens, making it a dream device for photographers and videographers. So, is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra the best flagship of the year? Let's dive into all the details. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra embraces a sleek, modern design, combining premium materials and refined aesthetics. The back panel is made from eco-friendly vegan leather, giving it a luxurious feel while ensuring durability. The device also comes with a ceramic variant, for those who prefer an ultra-premium touch. The camera module is massive and circular, resembling a professional camera lens, and it's no surprise considering the powerful sensors housed within it. The phone is also IP68 water and dust resistant, ensuring it can handle splashes, rain, and accidental drops in water. At the front, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This display is buttery smooth, color accurate, and ultra-responsive. It supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it perfect for outdoor visibility, gaming, and media consumption. With adaptive refresh rate technology, the screen can automatically switch between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, optimizing battery life while maintaining a seamless user experience. Whether you're watching 4K content, editing high-resolution images, or playing games at high FPS, this display is one of the best on any smartphone right now. Powering the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, Qualcomm's most advanced chipset yet. Built on a cutting-edge 4nm process, this processor delivers lightning-fast speeds, enhanced AI processing, and improved power efficiency. With up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, you'll never have to worry about lag or storage space. Whether you're running multiple apps, editing high-resolution videos, or playing graphically intense games, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra ensures unmatched performance. To keep everything running cool, the phone features a next-gen liquid cooling system, preventing thermal throttling during extended gaming or video recording sessions. Xiaomi is raising the bar with its quad-camera setup, delivering pro-level photography in a smartphone. 50MP Sony LYT900 main sensor, a large 1-inch sensor, capturing exceptional detail, stunning dynamic range, and low light brilliance. 50MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing landscapes and group shots with a 122 degrees field of view. 50MP telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom, ideal for portrait shots with natural bokeh and stunning detail. 200MP periscope telephoto lens, 6x optical zoom, the biggest highlight, allowing for unmatched zoom capabilities without losing clarity. This camera system is co-engineered with Leica, ensuring true-to-life colors, professional-grade image processing, and advanced software optimizations. Leica authentic and vibrant color profiles, choose between true-to-life or enhanced colors based on your preference. 8K video recording records cinema-quality videos with AI stabilization. Pro mode with RAW support take full control of ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and focus. AI night mode uses advanced algorithms to brighten low-light images without noise. With this powerful setup, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a pocket DSLR. To keep up with its powerful hardware, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra packs a 5,500 mAh battery, ensuring all-day endurance even with heavy usage. But the real magic lies in its charging capabilities. 90W wired charging fully charge your phone in under 30 minutes. 80W wireless charging, one of the fastest wireless charging solutions in the industry. Reverse wireless charging charge your earbuds, smartwatches, and other devices on the go. Battery anxiety. Not with this phone. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is packed with the latest connectivity options, making it a true flagship. 5G connectivity, superfast speeds for gaming, streaming, and downloads. Wi-Fi 7, the fastest wireless connection available. Bluetooth 5.4, stronger, more stable audio connections. USB Type-C 3.2, for faster data transfers and charging. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, a rich and immersive audio experience. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, for fast and secure unlocking. Running on HyperOS 2.0, based on Android 15, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a smooth, bloat-free, and highly customizable experience. HyperOS 2.0 brings faster UI animations and transitions for a fluid user experience. AI-powered battery optimizations to extend usage time. Advanced privacy and security features for better protection. Smart widgets and enhanced multitasking for a more productive workflow. With 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, this device is future-proof and built to last. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is more than just a smartphone, it's a technological masterpiece. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or a gamer, this device excels in every category. So, is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra the best flagship of 2025? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for the latest smartphone updates. See you in the next one.